let me down.
Hello guys, how's it going? In this video I will explain to you guys what to do on your first road test. Okay, it's about some steps, quick tip, and I am very sure it will helping you with your road test, inshallah. I will give you very important steps before you start the driving road test. But let me say something before we start. I want to explain to you the lesson while you are watching content video, okay? So that don't get bored, all right? So let's start. Okay, maybe some of you they are wondering why Ahmed is explain to us and show us the content beach. I am sure somebody will ask about that. But this is good, it's okay. It's nice view also. It's not always where I have to explain in the road. Of course, this is nice view, so you can more comfortable when you are listening to the lesson, and then inshallah it will be fine. This is nice view, so you can see it's okay. Anyway, when an examiner is with you during the exam, first he will ask you for your name. And secondly, he will ask you, are you ready to drive? You said, yes, I am ready with the cute smile. Alright? And be confident yourself. Do not panic, my friend, because confusing will make you more mistakes. Okay? And before you drive, you can see the examiner if he's wearing the seat belt or not. If he's not wearing seatbelt, you can ask him with the kindly words, can you please wearing your seatbelt? If he said, okay, no problem, just go drive, go ahead. All right? Okay, guys, so when you are already in the road, okay, with the examiner for the test, try when you drive, just drive speed limited and keep focusing your road line. Do not touch any lines, both side. Okay, and also when you're turning your car left and right, okay, you have to turn nicely with the good way, because it's very important in the test for turning. And of course, try to be yourself, just comfortable. Okay, it is only just 5 minutes or 10 minutes, that's it, you will be fine. Okay, and also don't try to drive too fast in the test of the location parking. Okay, just maximum 40 or 30 only. I wish you good luck and thank you for watching, and see you another video. Thank you.